How to fix that isn't the mobile number you previously verified. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million IDs YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix that isn't the mobile number you previously verified. So for this, what you have to do is let's go to your Snapchat application. So after going to Snapchat application, let's try to log in your account. So let me log in. So just wait for a second. So see here, oops, your password is incorrect. So I will just click on forgot your password here, and then let's click to Wi phone, and then they are asking for a number. So let me type my number. So after typing my number, you have to click on continue. So after clicking to continue, you will find an option as send via text or call me. So let's click on send via text, and you can see here that isn't the mobile number you previously verified, so please try another number or use a verified email address. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to go back to your Snapchat account, Snapchat profile, and then you have to go to your setting icon. After going to settings, what you have to do is you have to check your mobile number, previously mobile number which has been verified for your Snapchat. So you have to check the number and then come back here, and then you have to apply the same verified phone number on this login option. So this is how you can solve, in this way you can solve your problem for Snapchat. Thanks for watching.